Imagine the world flips upside down and suddenly it's you, your gear, and your will to survive. Sounds dramatic? Maybe, but having the right survival gadgets can make all the difference between panic and peace of mind. Today, we're diving into 15 amazing deals on Doomsday survival gear that not only prepare you for the unexpected, but also save you some serious cash. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe to Trek Gear for more life-saving finds every week. When chaos calls, a solid blade becomes your best friend. The Recon Tanto 7 is razor sharp, built tough, and trusted by military professionals for years. Imagine clearing brush at camp or defending yourself if things get dicey. This knife has your back. And here's the kicker. It's usually $70, but right now it's only $44, saving you $26. Picture this, you're off the grid, hungry, and the sun's going down. With the Coleman Triton stove, dinner's never a problem. Two powerful burners mean you can fry up bacon on one side while boiling coffee on the other. Rugged, reliable, and easy to set up, this stove makes camping and survival feel a lot more like home. Normally it runs at $130, but right now it's down to $85. That's $45 staying in your pocket. Power is survival, whether it's charging comms, running lights, or keeping medical gear alive. The EcoFlow Delta 2 packs an insane punch with rapid recharging and enough juice to keep your essentials humming for hours. Imagine a blackout hitting your neighborhood. This unit keeps your phone, fridge, and even laptops going without breaking a sweat. Normally $700, it's on sale for just $429, saving you a whopping $271. Picture yourself in a storm. When the lights cut out, what do you grab first? The Jackery portable power station. Compact, lightweight, and powerful. This little box delivers clean, quiet energy for your devices and small appliances. Whether you're out camping or riding through a blackout, it's like carrying your own mini power grid. Normally priced at $259, it's now just $169. That's $90 saved on peace of mind you can carry anywhere. Ever sit in a flimsy camp chair that makes you feel like you're about to hit the ground? Not with this one. The SUNNYFEEL Director's Chair is oversized, sturdy, and built for serious outdoor comfort. Picture sipping coffee by the fire or scanning the horizon for zombies. You'll stay steady and relaxed. Usually $130, you can snag it now for $110. That's $20 saved. Now here's a pocket hero. The Gerber Armbar squeezes 8 tools into one sleek design screwdriver. Pry bar, scissors, knife, and more. Think about fixing gear in the wild, opening cans, or tightening a loose screw on your stove, all without carrying a toolbox. Normally $50, this multi-tool is down to $38. That's $12 off when branches block your path or you need firewood fast. The REXBETI Folding Saw is a lifesaver. With its aggressive teeth and comfortable grip, it slices through thick wood like butter. Imagine setting up camp in the woods. This tool makes clearing and cutting effortless. Normally $24, it's now only $16. That's $8 saved. Power outages? No sweat. The Lichamp solar camping lanterns soak up the sun by day and light your space all night. You get a 4-pack so you can scatter them around your camp or keep extras stashed for emergencies. Picture a pitch black tent turning cozy and bright with just one button press. Usually $46. These are now $34. That's $12 saved while lighting up survival the smart way. Here's a clever one. The Tesmax collapsible light extends like a mini tower for wide illumination, then folds down small enough to tuck into your bag. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and built tough for unpredictable conditions. Imagine hiking late and setting up camp in the dark. This light transforms the space instantly. Regularly $60, it's marked down to $45. That's $15 off. Few tools earn their spot in a survival kit like a hatchet. The SOG Tactical Bushcraft hatchet is compact but fierce perfect for chopping wood, hammering stakes, or even defending yourself if the wild gets unfriendly. Imagine splitting kindling for a fire on a cold night or carving out camp essentials with ease. Normally $109, it's on sale for $99. That's $10 saved. Water is life, plain and simple. The UPWOIGH camping water container gives you a reliable way to store and transport fresh water on the go. With its sturdy build and collapsible design, it's a must-have for both bug-out bags and family camping trips. Picture refilling at a stream and having 10 liters safely secured back at camp. Usually $44, it's now only $35. That's $9 saved. Think of it as your your kitchen that folds flat. The OGERY 2-burner stove is lightweight, easy to carry, and fires up fast for cooking just about anything outdoors. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or facing an off-grid emergency, it keeps hot meals coming without fuss. Regularly $99, you can grab it now for $66. That's $33 saved. Every survivor needs a reliable pack, and the Nightcat hiking backpack delivers. Lightweight yet tough, it's designed to haul your essentials without dragging you down. Picture trekking up a steep trail or bugging out in a hurry. This backpack keeps everything organized and close at hand. Normally $55, it's now only $46. That's $9 saved. When darkness falls, nothing beats a dependable flashlight. The HOTO outdoor flashlight is sleek, minimalist, and built tough for unpredictable nights outdoors. Rechargeable and lightweight, it slips easily into your pocket, yet lights up the path ahead with serious brightness. Usually $60, you can grab it now for $50. That's $10 saved on clarity when you need it most. Last but definitely not least, the Giriaitus Multitool. Compact but packed with functionality, it's like carrying a toolbox in your pocket. Imagine tightening gear, cutting rope, or cracking open a bottle at camp. It does it all. Normally $33, this multi-tool is now $28. That's $5 saved on a survival gadget. Which one would you grab first? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next survival gear breakdown from Trek Gear. Stay prepared, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.